Is Finn. This is a flower basket. You take it with you, you pick your flowers, you put them on here. This is a vegetable basket. You take it out with you to the garden. You put your vegetables in it. And the hole's in the bottom. So like if there was dirt on your vegetables, you could shake it off and not get the dirt in your house. This is a little chicken house. You could put your chicken in here if you were building a bigger coop or if you only had a couple chickens.
Hi, I'm Mickey Earp, and I started off with the Brushy Mountain Quilt Guild. At this table, we talk about the clothing that they wore and how it protected them, and the scraps from that clothing is turned into quilts.
Thank you. It's coming out there. See where it's coming out? Keep pushing. Whoops. Let's get it. Good job.
Hey, my name's Allie, and I'm making a pot. This is basically, so do you know why I rounded off the bottom? Okay, so if you don't round off the bottom, you're gonna get a bunch of air bubbles in it, and the bottom won't come out smooth, and it could potentially explode in the kiln. So do y'all know what a kiln is? Okay, so a kiln, that's called firing. So firing, the first time a piece of pottery is put in the kiln, that's called a biscuit. All it does is it gets all the moisture out of it, and it hardens the
Hey, my name is Amy Shook, and I'm doing weaving. This right here is a loom, and this could be used to make blankets, table runners. Also, different types of looms could be used to make fabric, and all kinds of things.
This is an 1850s scavenger hunt, and these are common things that you would have seen.
Hi, my name is Trinity Bennett, and I am doing the toys that kids played with in the 1850s.
My section is herbs, and these are different plants that they would have grown for different uses. Most people associate them with cooking, well, herbs in general with cooking, but they were also used for housekeeping and even to treat illnesses.
So hi, my name is Cora Childers, and today we're learning about log cabins and like how they were built. So they didn't have all the stuff we use today, so they had to cut down their trees and build them, and so they would cut notches in the wood like this, and when you stacked them up, it would actually make it stronger than if you would have used nails.
My station is candle making from natural beeswax, and it is a part of the natural resources that people in 1850 had to rely on. They built their homes from the woods around them, but the cabins in 1850 didn't have windows, so they needed candles. They extracted the honeycomb from hollow trees and bees, and so the kids have been making beeswax candles. We would have been made candles over an open fire, but obviously we can't have a fire, so we are working off of a hot plate, melted beeswax, and so that's why they look handmade, because they are handmade. So every child's getting to take part in that as well.
My name is Yolanda Prince, and I do leather work. I've been doing it for 20 years. I learned through the Hidnight Center. I actually signed up for a belt making class and took some private lessons because nobody signed up for the class but me. And here I am 20 years later. So.
Okay, my name is Lisa. I'm a registered Cherokee. I do Cherokee basket weaving, and I teach the kids about this, and I have weaving mats for the children so they can sit on the floor and do weaving and do whatever designs that they want to do. That's it.
Hey, my name's Conley. We are at the Hidnight Center in Hidnight. I am from Hidnight. We are migratory beekeepers. We do pollination for farmers. We have a honey store downtown Taylorsville, and we are here to teach the kids the importance of pollination, bee survival, and bee health, and how to have a pollinator garden, and let them learn a little bit about the honey.
Our chicks, we don't know what breed they are because this is what Tractor Supply had left. And
Hi, my name is Alvin Woody, and I'm a wood carver. I also teach soap carving, and what we're trying to do here today is introduce the children and even adults into the wonderful hobby of carving. Wood carving goes back a long, long ways, and what we try to do today is simply make sure that they know if they're carving, they're using very sharp knives for wood carving, and they have to be safe. They have to wear, in this case, I wear a leather vest to protect me here, and I wear a Kevlar glove on my holding hand and a leather thumb guard on the knife wielding hand. That way, I'm protected here from using this knife, and if I'm carving against my thumb, I don't cut my thumb. Safety is foremost, and I teach them the first tool that goes in their toolbox. Yes, it's a first aid kit. And because even though you're safe and doing your best, accidents will happen, okay? And he talks low, but he knows what he's doing.
Yes, and that's what's cool about it.
First you don't succeed.
Try again.
Right. We're taking a break, I guess.
Yeah, the next one's not till 12. 12 something. I was just trying to get a quick video. Thank you.
Hi there, I'm Sierra, and this is my station, and we are churning butter. So we're using this butter churn. You helping? Thank you.